The human body is a complex and amazing structure. Here are 10 lesser-known facts about the human body to increase your knowledge. Number 1. Your bones are stronger than steel. Steel is strong, but it's no match for your bones. In fact, if you were to put your bones up against a piece of steel of the same size, your bones would win. The reason why is because of the unique structure of your bones. They have a strong outer shell made of a substance called cortical bone, which is very dense and hard. But the majority of your bone is made up of spongy bone, which is actually quite light and airy. This gives your bones their strength, and also helps to reduce the amount of force that they absorb when you move around. So next time you're feeling a little bit sore after a workout, just remember that your bones could probably handle a lot more punishment than that. No, too, your stomach doesn't digest itself. You might think that the acids in your stomach would eventually break down the stomach itself, but this isn't the case. The cells that line your stomach are actually protected from the acid by a layer of mucus. This mucus is constantly being replaced, so even if a few cells get damaged, it's no big deal. Plus, the acid in your stomach is only strong enough to digest food. It can't break down the proteins and other molecules that make up your stomach lining. 3. You can smile and breathe at the same time. Try it. It's actually pretty hard to do. When you smile, your facial muscles contract, which prevents air from flowing in and out of your nostrils. This is why you have to breathe through your mouth when you're smiling. But it turns out that you actually can smile and breathe at the same time if you really try. This requires some serious coordination between your facial muscles and your diaphragm. But hey, now you know you can do it. Number 4, your dead skin cells make up the majority of the dust in your house. It's gross but true. As you go about your day, you shed tiny bits of skin, which then become dust. This is especially true when you're doing activities like vacuuming or dusting, which disturb the air and cause even more skin cells to fly around. So if you're someone who's always sneezing when you vacuum, you know what to blame. Number 5. Your own dead skin cells make up the majority of the dust in your house. It's gross but true. As you go about your day, you shed tiny bits of skin which then become dust. This is especially true when you're doing activities like vacuuming or dusting, which disturb the air and cause even more skin cells to fly around. So if you're someone who's always sneezing when you vacuum, you know what to blame. Number 6. Your body produces its own painkillers. We all know that pain is unpleasant, but it's actually a good thing. Pain is your body's way of telling you that something is wrong and needs to be fixed. When you experience pain, your body automatically produces chemicals called endorphins, which help to reduce the sensation of pain. Number 7. Your brain is constantly making new connections. Your brain is a social creature. It loves to make connections with other people, but it also makes connections with itself. Every time you learn something new or experience something novel, your brain creates new pathways between neurons. This is how you store memories and learn new skills. So keep challenging your brain in making new connections throughout your life. Number 8. Your heart pumps 2,000 gallons of blood every day. That's a lot of blood. It's actually one of the reasons why your heart is such a strong muscle. To pump all that blood around your body, it needs to be strong enough to overcome the force of gravity. Number 9. You have more than one personality. It turns out that we all have multiple personalities, or at least we have multiple ways of behaving. Depending on the situation, our personalities are actually quite fluid. We all have a core set of traits that stay the same, but how we express those traits can change depending on who we be around or what we be doing. Number 10. Your emotions can affect your physical health. We've all heard of the saying, mind over matter. Well, it turns out that this is actually true in a lot of ways. Your emotions can have a profound effect on your physical health. If you're constantly stressed out, it can weaken your immune system and make you more susceptible to illness. But positive emotions like happiness and contentment can actually boost your immune system and improve your overall health. So it's important to find ways to manage your stress and cultivate positive emotions in your life. So there you have it, 10 lesser-known facts about the human body. Do you know any other fun facts about the human body? Share them in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Till next time.